In this video, we're going to talk about standard deviation versus standard error of the mean. These terms often get confused, so let's try to clear them up. Let's look at an example. For the sake of this example, imagine we have weighed 5 mice. This is the average or the mean of the values we measured. This is the standard deviation on both sides of the mean. It quantifies how much the data are spread out. Now imagine we did the exact same experiment, weighed 5 mice 5 separate times using different mice each time. This would result in 5 means or averages, one for each set of measurements. We would also have 5 separate standard deviations around the means, one for each set of measurements, and they quantify how much the measurements are spread around their means. Here's what it would look like if we plotted all 5 means on the same number line. This is the mean of the means, and this is the standard deviation on both sides of the mean of the means. It's a little bit of a tongue twister. So the standard deviation of the means is called the standard error or standard error of the means. And that's it. It's just that simple. So let's summarize the differences between the standard deviation and the standard error of the mean. The standard deviation quantifies the variation within a set of measurements. The standard error of the mean quantifies the variation in the means from multiple sets of measurements. And the confusing thing is that the standard error can be estimated from a single set of measurements, even though it describes the means from multiple sets of measurements. So this means that even if you only have a single set of measurements, you're able to use statistical magic to pretend as if you had collected multiple sets of measurements. And that's it.